Better quit looking at my fish. I told you that was my fish. Down here at Bluegrass and Wildlife, just launched from the northern ramp on the Bluegrass pit. It rained a good chunk of the day, sprinkled as I was pulling up. It is muggy out here right now, but I don't care. We are on the hunt for one big bite. I need anything 17 inches and above to knock out some 16 inches and keep me in the top 10. I just talked to the guy who jumped into second place today, another Army veteran, awesome to meet, good to talk to, but we've only got about 4.5, 5 hours to fish before dark, so let's get to it. Yeah, fish number one on the jackhammer. All right, let's go. Well, I guess we lost the video of that fish I just caught. Fish number two might be an upgrade. We'll have to see. Glad I got him in the net because chatterbait. Shoot. The 17-inch upgrade from a 16-quarter, so 3/4 of an inch upgrade. Had to format the card, but maybe we'll catch a bigger one. Let's see. Figure I might want to turn the camera on if I want to, record myself actually catching a fish. We caught one 17-incher, but the SD card went bad again. I don't know what happened with it, but we formatted it and fired it up again. But I'm rolling down this bank on the other side of the lake, seeing if there's anybody over here. Another 14-incher. Looking at my fish. Better quit looking at my fish. I told you that was my fish. My fish, Mr. Bird. Told you it was my fish. Not bad. Another nice healthy fish, 16 inches, but we need 17 and above, so he gets to go free. That was a really good fish. That hurts. That was a good fish.